So hello guys, today we are gonna create a category model. So let's just we have to create first app called category. So let's start. Let's initiate the creation of that app. So first of all, we have to enter the project called create cart. Then let me just run our server. py run server. Oh, typo, here it is. Run server. Yeah. Okay, so here is our website. So let's create an app. For that, we have to close this and let's just type Python manage.py start app and the name of that app that you want to create. And you can see guys here the app is created and these all files are uh, by default in the Django. So in models.py, and so first of all we have to register this app as just remember guys that when we create any app in the Django, we have to register it in our settings.py in this app. So just type category here. Okay, so the app has been registered now. So we don't need these files now for now. Let's just close it, and here we have to create the model of our category that would be like this. So we are gonna create the model by typing class category models dot model, and then category name slug category name models.CharField max length 50 unique is true. Okay, now slug for slug models dot we don't want this right now, don't want all this, we will get on this later. For now let's just use this. Instead of this SlugField you can use CharField. Max length gonna be 100 and unique is true. Okay, description models.text fill max length, we have to add max length is 255 by default. Okay, and blank is true. Category image is equal to models image field uploads to photos categories. Okay, now we have to define a function called string return self.category name. Okay, so After this, we have to type one code for the migrations. So it is python manage.py make migration. Before that, we have to register our model in the admin.py. So here we are gonna register our model from dot models import category admin.site register category. So the meaning of this dot models means from the current directory uh, in the models.py, from this models.py import the category, this category class, and register this category to the admin panel. Now we are gonna make migrations. Enter. So you can see that one file should be created. Let me just check where it is. Okay. Migrations. So here it is. That category name model is migrated. Okay. Also we have to run another code called python.py migrate. So when, just remember guys, when we create any model or any changes in this models.py, we have to register the new model that we have created and run these two codes, manage.py make migrations and manage.py migrate. Just keep in mind. So if you guys remember that we have installed pillow library along with Django by typing pip install pillow. Actually we have typed pip install Django and pillow together. So that pillow is gonna use to access all the images that we upload in this cat image field. So just keep it in your mind. Okay. So now we will initiate the server. Okay. And we will access the admin panel. So it is asking username and password, but we haven't created any user, so we have to create a user first. Actually we have to create super user for accessing admin panel. So just close this and type python manage.py create super user, enter. Then username we have to enter, and username will be, let's give great card. You have to remember this guys, username and password. Enter. Email address is not necessary, so just enter, and password that you want. And when you type the password is not visible here for the privacy, so let's just enter. Password is too similar to the username. Bypass validation. Yes. Super user created. Now we will run server and just log in, refreshing and migrate card. Okay. So here you can see the category model is created. Okay. So guys, let me explain this code one by one. So we have created this class called category and category name. Category name that if we want to create any category here, that we have to click this button add category, and this category name will be CharField max length 50 and unique true. So this means this CharField is used for short text. So we are using short text for here for this category name. The length of that text should be 50, not more than 50. If you want to try the try to add greater than 50 character, then it will just only take 50 maximum 50 length of that name. Okay, and it should be unique. And this for slug also, that is here is CharField, so it should be small text, and the length of that slug should be maximum 100 character, and it should be unique. And for description, it should be text field here. So for description, we always use text field, and max length of this by default 255, and blank true means if we don't want to enter any description, then it is okay. Okay, so it is not necessary here. And category image here is, so this category image means we have to enter here image field. If we want to upload any image, then we have to type here image field, and that image we are gonna upload is upload will be uploaded to this folder, this path. And if we don't want to create any, don't want to upload any image, then it is fine. So that's why it is used blank is true. Okay, and what is this? So this function is returning self dot category name. Okay, so when we create any category, it will show us that name of that category in the table. So let me just create, for example, the category is like mobile. Okay, for example, we are taking slug is phone, description is anything, and we don't want to upload any image, and then save. Okay, so one category is created. Let me just create another category. If we want to try again mobile category, to create mobile category, so we can't create this because of this, because we have typed here that unique must be true. So mobile we have used in the previous category, and slug must be true. Let me just use phone too. Okay, so slug is not the same anymore. So description that anything, and image don't want to enter, and save. So here it is. So category with this category name already exists, and if we remove this code, unique is true, and just refresh it, integrity error admin category add so let me just fill it to internal error. What is here is going integrity error unique constant category name. Okay, I think category, let me just create category mobile phone 2. Okay, so this is giving error. Let me try mobile 2. Okay, so when we use another name, it is creating, but let me just figure this out why this is happening. Okay, so if we want to remove this, let me just remove it. So if we make any kind of changes in this models.py, then we have to run this code, make migration and migrate, then just run server. Then just run server and refresh it. Now we can create same name so of the categories. You can see guys. So because here we haven't added this, that unique is equal to true, and if we want to add here, then just make migrations, migrate and run server and refresh it, mobile 2. Now we couldn't create same name category, so that's why it is used here. Okay, okay, got it. And if we haven't used this, let me just comment it out and refresh that, then it will show like this. If we want to show here the category name, then we have to use this. Okay, if here we want to use slug name, okay, then here it is. So that's the use of this. Okay, okay, so let's just delete these categories that we don't want to use right now. So you can see guys here by the Django, all the category, it automatically adds plural form in the all categories, but you can see here one spelling mistake, that it should be like CATEGORIES, but here it just added S after the class name. So if we want to make this correct this, then we have to type this code, class meta verbose name plural, then just make migration, migrate and run server, refresh it, and here it is changed. Okay, so we will move further in the next video. So let me just know if you have any doubts in this regarding any these models and anything. So thank you very much guys, see you again.